Understanding game balancing. Game balancing refers to the process of adjusting game mechanics, rules, and features to ensure fairness and competitiveness among players. In multiplayer games, this involves tweaking character abilities, weapons, or in-game resources so that no single element overpowers others. Balancing creates a level playing field and ensures that all players have a fair chance to succeed. Key elements of game balancing. Key elements of game balancing include character stats, weapon strength, ability cooldowns, and in-game resource distribution. Developers must carefully adjust these factors to avoid making certain characters, strategies, or items too powerful, which can frustrate players and create an unfair gaming environment. Effective balancing keeps gameplay exciting and fair. Maintaining player engagement. Balanced gameplay keeps players engaged by ensuring that skill, rather than game mechanics, determines success. When games are unbalanced, skilled players may feel unfairly disadvantaged, while less experienced players may find the game too difficult. A well-balanced game motivates players to improve their skills and keeps them coming back for more. Preventing dominant strategies. Without proper balancing, dominant strategies can emerge, where players consistently use the same tactics to win. This reduces gameplay diversity and makes the game less enjoyable for others. By balancing game elements, developers ensure that players must adapt their strategies and use different approaches, making the game more dynamic. Fair competition in multiplayer modes. In multiplayer games, balancing is crucial for ensuring that competition remains fair. Whether in team-based or one-on-one modes, balanced gameplay prevents any single player or team from gaining an overwhelming advantage due to overpowered characters or items. Fair competition fosters a healthy gaming community and encourages teamwork. Retaining the player base. Poorly balanced games can lead to player dissatisfaction, causing them to quit or switch to other games. This is especially true in multiplayer environments where fairness is a top priority. Regular updates to maintain balance help retain the player base, as gamers know their concerns will be addressed and gameplay will remain enjoyable. Testing and community feedback. Game balancing is an ongoing process that requires extensive testing and feedback from the player community. Developers often release updates and patches based on player feedback to address imbalance issues. Engaging with the community helps identify problems early and ensures that the game continues to evolve and improve. Balancing for different skill levels. Balancing must also account for players of varying skill levels. Games should offer challenges for seasoned players while remaining accessible to beginners. Developers often implement skill-based matchmaking or difficulty settings to help maintain a fair balance, allowing players of all levels to enjoy the game without feeling overwhelmed. Addressing new content imbalances. As new characters, weapons, or abilities are introduced in updates or expansions, imbalances can arise. Developers must monitor the impact of new content on gameplay and adjust as necessary to maintain balance. This constant fine-tuning ensures that no new feature disrupts the fairness or enjoyment of the game. Conclusion: balance is key to multiplayer success. Game balancing is vital for creating an enjoyable and fair multiplayer experience. It ensures that all players, regardless of their skill or chosen strategy, have an equal chance of success. Through continuous adjustment and community involvement, developers can maintain a balanced, engaging game that retains its player base and fosters healthy competition.